Hi, I'm Roy Young, Seven Lakes Fishery Manager. Today we're having a free fish for silvers, where friends of Seven Lakes season ticket holders can come along, fish free, and help us move the silverfish from Lake 6 to free up, give the carp a bit better chance with the feed, and move them into Lake 2, stock up Lake 2 for the silvers for the winter predator fishing.
Got the nice ones in there, look.
Oh, that's decent. There you go. All rudd, apart from a couple of perch, which are really small. But they're rudd.
Oh yeah.
They're decent size.
Oh, quite decent size, aren't they?
It's brilliant. There's one of my huge perch.
That's where I've got to go. I've got to go right hard up against those. Oh, you've got a bait. Now he's come off, stand with it.
I'm Dougie, one of the bailiffs at Seven Lakes, and we're just having a silverfish day on Lake 6, and we're going to transfer the silverfish and any perch up to Lake 2 later on this afternoon. Well, it benefits Lake 6 in that it leaves more food for the carp, and it also benefits the perch and any pike that's in Lake 2 as well. So it's beneficial for both lakes to do this. Everyone's been busy. We haven't been sitting behind our rods. We've been active, and it's been quite enjoyable. I think everyone's enjoyed it so far today. Certainly I have. And I hope everyone else has enjoyed it as much as I have. Come on. Do me a favour, I'm sink. Size rudd.
Wow, nice size again.
Yeah. There we go. Nice golden colour. Beautiful red colour on the fins and the tail.